Yes. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, everyone.
Morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm
How are you,
fine here.
ma'am?
How are you all?
Yeah, fine. I'm fine, thank you.
You're fine.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Shall we start the portion?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, who will tell me what we studied in the last class?
Menu bar, scroll bar, corners, and borders.
Okay, that's all?
The last menu bar, scroll bar, bottom, and corners.
Bottom or border?
Border.
Borders and corners, isn't it? Did we start learning about the keyboard?
No.
No. No.
No, ma'am.
No. So we are starting to learn a new chapter today. Chapter 5, more about keyboard. Okay, shall we write?
Yes.
Shall we write the heading?
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am.
Please take your rough books.
Yes. Right.
Yes, write the heading.
Ma'am,
You have to take your rough book and write it in your rough book. Okay, the
we want
heading.
to write.
You have to write. That's what I'm telling.
Excuse me, Sneha, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you share again?
Share again. Yes. All right. Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Chapter 5. The previous one was chapter 4, isn't it? What was the name of the chapter?
Files and folder.
No, that was third one.
Windows.
Working with
Windows.
Not Windows 7, working with Windows. That's all. Now, chapter 5 is more about keyboard.
We want to write.
You have to write. Everybody listen to me. Please open your rough books. Please open your rough books. Start writing the heading. Chapter 5. Chapter 5.
Chapter 5.
More about keyboard. More about
M-O-R-E, more.
M-O-R-E, more. A-B-O-U-T. About keyboard. What is the spelling of keyboard?
K-E-Y-B-O-R-D.
B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard.
More about keyboard.
More about keyboard.
Finish writing.
Chapter 5, more about keyboard.
I completed my work.
Good. More about keyboard.
Chapter 5. More
about keyboard. So what do you think will be the main theme of this chapter? What will be learning about? About? Yes, Anushka?
Keyboard.
Keyboard. Yes, we'll be learning more about keyboard in this chapter. What do you call these small buttons on the keyboard?
Keys.
Okay, you remember that, isn't it? From the previous chapters.
Keys in the keyboard.
Sorry?
Uses of keys in the keyboard.
Which keys are in the keyboard?
Uses of
keyboard.
Uses of keys in the keyboard.
Okay.
Ma'am, in keyboard, 104 keys are there.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. So keyboard is an input device or an output device?
Input device.
Yes, very good. Keyboard is an input device. So we'll write one sentence about the
Ma'am,
keyboard.
I have keyboard.
Okay, okay. Yes. So please take your books. In the next line, please write a line about the keyboard. A keyboard is a keyboard is a
Board A is
keyboard is a keyboard is a common C-O-double-M. Please note the spelling C-O-double-M-O-N. Common. A keyboard is a common. Keyboard is a common. Input
spelling of common.
C-O-double-M-O-N. Common.
Thank you.
Yes. C-O-double-M-O-N. Common.
Ma'am, finish.
Keyboard is a common.
Ma'am, I wrote. This much?
Wait.
I wrote.
Keyboard is a common. Input. I-N. What is the spelling of input? I-N?
N-P-U-T.
Very good. Input.
I-N-P-U-T.
Yes.
I-N-P.
Input.
Input.
Device.
Device.
Input device. D-E-V-I-C-E. Device. Input device. Input device. Through which.
Device. Ma'am, what's the device spelling?
D-E-V-I-C-E. Input device.
Through.
Through. T-H-R-O-U-G-H. You're welcome, dear.
Through. Input.
Device. Through.
Beautiful.
Through which.
Through which.
Through which.
W-H-I-C-H.
Through which. Data.
Ma'am, finish.
Please don't tell me finished. If you have completed, you please remain silent and write the rest. Okay.
Data.
Through which data and control. C-O-N-T-R-O-L. Control. Data and control.
Ma'am.
Yes. Data and control. Commands are C-O-M-M-A-N-D-S. Commands. Control commands. A-N-D-S. Double M-A-N-D-S.
Commands.
Control commands. Commands means the orders. I'll tell you, I'll explain the definition. Please write first and then I'll explain. Commands are fed. F-E-D, fed. Fed into computer. Into a computer.
Ma'am, second line, what's the last one? Spelling.
Which one, dear? Second line, last one. F-E-D. Fed.
Ma'am, I wrote.
Okay. Please wait.
Ma'am, I wrote.
Okay, okay. No need to tell me, dear. Please wait.
First sentence has been finished.
Yes, full sentence has been finished. Okay. Now, those who have completed, please read that sentence and see if you can understand.
See the word.
Chriswin, please mute your audio.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
What control finished one word is there? I cannot understand.
I did not understand.
Control.
Control.
Then the control.
After control, commands.
Yes. Command. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
After R, which word?
Okay. One more line you write on the next line. One more point.
And after R, which word?
Where?
After R.
Which are, dear? Okay, are fed. F-E-D, fed.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, this full sentence like a finish. Next
Yes,
point,
that
it's
is-
like a
that is
point.
Yeah, next one is in the next line. The
It's
keyboard.
like a point.
Yes, the keyboard is made of several. Several means? What do you mean by several?
Many.
Yes, correct. Several
Many.
small buttons, which means many small buttons called
What is made spelling?
M-A-D-E, made.
Ma'am, what is several spelling?
Several, S-E-V-E-R-A-L.
Thank you.
Yes, the keyboard is made of several small buttons called
Keys.
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 Keys, yes.
Ma'am, I wrote it.
Okay. Now we shall look at the definition. So a keyboard, yes, a keyboard is a common input device through which data and control commands are fed into a computer. So what are the input devices basically used for? We send information to the computer, isn't it? Using input devices. Yes or no? The information is passed. The information is passed from the user to the computer. That's why we use input devices. Suppose if we want to select something, which input device will we use?
Mouse.
Mouse. Yes, if we want to select something on the screen, we'll use the mouse. Similarly, there are different functions for which we use the keyboard. One is to Yes, correct, Danish. That's a keyboard. One uses to feed or to type in the data into the computer. Suppose if you want to save all the files regarding your assignments, the number of projects that you have done, you can save it inside the computer, isn't it? So you can easily type it and keep. So all the information can be typed and stored into the computer. So which input device will you use for that?
Keyboard.
Keyboard. Yes.
Keyboard.
We are using this keyboard to keep this data, store this data in the computer. Other than that, when you're playing games, suppose another example where you're playing games. Abir Shafat, yes, I saw that, my dear. Okay, she's showing a keyboard. Now, when you're playing a game, suppose we are playing some car race game or bike race game. You all know that, isn't it? Car race and bike race. Yes. And if there is some hurdle in between or some tree or wall in between, you have to move your vehicle left or right side, isn't it?
Yes.
So for that, what will you use?
Keyboard.
Which key is in the keyboard?
Key.
You can use left or right keys, isn't it? Arrow key. Yes, you can easily use them.
Ma'am, 2 keys are there.
Yes. So you can control your game. You can control your vehicle in the game using the keyboard. Yes, so we can give control commands also. Understood?
Yes.
That's why this control commands are written here. Not only for games, for different purposes, we can use this keyboard. Understood? Yes. So keyboard is an input device. You have to know that it is used to store or feed data and control commands into the what? Into the
Computer.
Is that clear?
Computer. Yes.
Computer. Yes. Okay. So in this whole chapter, we'll be learning about the different keys of the keyboard. What are the different keys of the keyboard? Clear? Shall we start with the keys? Different types of keys. Okay.
Yes.
So today we'll be learning about typing. In the next line you can write. Okay, typing keys.
Typing keys.
Put one and write.
Key.
Typing.
One. Typing.
Keys. In the bracket you can write alphanumeric. ALPHANUMERIC. Alphanumeric keys.
And what is the spelling? Alphanumeric.
I'll read the spelling. ALPHANUMERIC. And close the bracket, then write keys.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
This is a topic.
This is one among the famous keys on the keyboard. One set of keys. Okay. And listen here, everyone. So in the typing keys, or otherwise it's called, what is the other name?
Alphanumeric
keys.
Alphanumeric keys.
Yes, we'll just divide this into two and see the meaning. Okay.
Okay.
Alpha. Where have you heard of this alpha?
Alphabets.
Alphabets. Isn't it? Alphabets. Which are the alphabets in English language?
A, B, C, D, E, F,
Okay, fine. So what do you mean by numeric? What will be numeric then? If alpha is related to the alphabets or letters, then what would be numeric related to?
Numeral. Numerals.
Numerals, okay. To be specific,
Numbers.
numbers. Very good. Related to the numbers. So there are letters as well as numbers. These keys are related to the typing keys. We call them typing keys, or what is the other name? Alphanumeric keys. Understood?
Alphanumeric.
Yes. Suppose we wrote the definition of this, isn't it? So to type that, otherwise we are writing the heading of this, more about keyboard. Instead of that, I'm typing. Which keys will I use? I'll have to use the alphanumeric keys, isn't it?
Yes.
To type M, O, R, E and all. And to type chapter 5, after chapter, I'll have to use the numeric keys with the numbers. And only I'll be able to type 5. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
So these are the keys, including the ones with the numbers, with the letters, with punctuation and symbol keys. Suppose if I want to put full stop also, if I want to type this after the sentence, we'll put a full stop, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Otherwise, it won't become a sentence. We have to put a full stop after the sentence. For that also, I require the alphanumeric keys. For the punctuation, to put comma, to put full stop and all. Is that clear?
Yes.
So typing keys, it involves the keys with the alphabets or the letters, with the numbers, with the punctuation and the symbols. Clear? Is that clear, children?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, next set of keys. We learn about the next set of keys. We have, just a minute, I'll take the pen.
2.
Okay, second one. Yes, put 2. Next we have
The typing alphanumeric keys we will study today.
that's what we learned now. Typing keys. The notes I'll send in the group. Okay, no need to write the explanation now. Okay, second one is navigation keys. Navigation keys.
The second word spelling.
Navigation. Navigation. Okay. You're
Ma'am,
welcome.
you can repeat again?
Yes. Navigation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I heard. Ma'am, I wrote.
Yes.
Ma'am, what do you mean by navigation?
I'll tell you. Did you write? Complete writing?
No. Yes.
Okay, write fast.
No.
Write fast. Have you heard of this term navigation before? Anywhere?
No. No.
No.
No.
Nowhere?
No.
Have you heard of navigation of the ship?
No. Yes. No.
Yes, some of the students have. Okay. Navigation deals with the positions, the locations of something. Okay. Like in the ship also, when you are traveling in a ship, the captain has to know which direction it has to be taken, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes, dear, Abir?
Map.
Yes, you can use maps for that, for navigation. You use Google Map for navigation when you don't find a way. You don't know, if you don't know the route, you will use Google Maps, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. The navigation keys are basically, they are used for moving around in documents and editing text. Okay, like if you want to move up and down or left and right, you can use the navigation keys. They are similar to the arrow keys. Okay, arrow keys. You have page up keys, page down, then home keys, then end keys, then delete keys and all. They are used to move around in the document and also to edit the text. Edit the ones that you're typing. So the ones that you're using for typing, what are they called? No. For typing, we use the previous one. What are they called? Typing or alphanumeric keys. Then for moving around in the text, for moving around in the document, we use the navigation keys. Did you understand that? Yes. I just wanted to introduce this. I'll show these keys in the picture as well as on the keyboard in the coming classes. Okay, don't worry about that. Just understand their uses and key passages. All right. Yes, so we learned only 2 sets today. So revise this portion for the next class, typing keys and navigation keys. Fine? Okay, shall I take the attendance?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. All right, Archa Tushar. Archa Tushar. Absent. Okay. Abir Shafat. Advait S. Akshay.
Present, ma'am.
Aman K. Yasir. Okay, those who have given me attendance can leave. Thank you. Aman K. Yasir, absent. Ameya Shabu.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Angelica, present.
Present, ma'am.
Anushka.
Present, ma'am.
Those who have given me attendance can leave. We'll meet
Ma'am,
next-
Anushka present.
Yes, yes, Anushka present. Ashik Satyan.
Present. Present, ma'am.
Yes. Abel Binoy.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Azahawa. Absent. Crispin Sibi.
Present.
Devananda. Devananda.
Present.
Dhanush.
ma'am.
Yes, Dhanush Dev.
Present. Present.
Dia Vinu.
Present, ma'am.
Ellen Via. Ellen Via. Absent. Evangeline.
Present, ma'am.
Haran Piljo.
Present, ma'am.
Harshika.
Absent.
Jaron Jitin.
Present, ma'am.
Joanna Jinto.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, is
Leon.
present.
Yes. You all can leave. You all can leave. Thank you. Leon Lijo.
Present,
Leon
ma'am.
Lijo.
Leon present.
Leon is present. Okay. Maria.
Present, ma'am.
Muhammad Ryan. Absent. Muhammad Ryan. MU. Absent. All are absent today. Then Nakshatra Ranesh. Absent. Nivya Rose. Absent. Prithvin Dev.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Rishan.
Present.
Ryan Manu.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Sabika Shirin.
Present, ma'am.
Satik Krishna. Yes. Stephania Fanton.
Ma'am, Sati Krishna is present.
Present. Stephania Fanton. Absent. Siddesh.
Present.
Shivada.
Present.
Shikbala Vipin.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Vinayak.
Present, ma'am.
Vrinda Vinod.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Yadav. Absent. Okay. So we'll meet next week. Revise this portion and come.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank